Communication is one of the most important aspects of any remodeling project. And here at Lamont Brothers, we utilize Buildertrend's project management software to assist us with the communication part of the project. In this video, I'm going to walk you through several features of the project management software and how you can use them to improve your remodeling experience. To start with, we have the documents section where you can view all of your plans. You can view some of the government paperwork that we give out about lead testing and other things, and the concepts for your remodeling project. And this is one central location where all these documents are located that you can access. You can even annotate or make comments on some of the different documents. The next feature is the schedule. This schedule feature is going to show you both the design schedule and what's happening during the design part of your project, as well as what's happening during the construction part of your project. You'll see daily logs where regularly our field staff on site will be posting updates regarding your project. They'll often snap photos, they'll often tell you what just happened and what's going to happen in the near future. And you can also make comments on these and communicate back and forth with them about what's happening live in your project. One of the most important parts of your project are the features and components and products that go into the project. So in Buildertrend, we have a page where you'll manage all of the selections and approvals throughout the design portion of your project. So this will include things like cabinetry, tile, grout color, the profile edge on your countertop. All of those things will be decided and approved by you in the selections portion of Buildertrend. You'll be able to see different costs, and occasionally we'll even add separate options so that you can see if you choose these cabinets, it'll be a certain price versus those cabinets. And then as we sign the construction contract, you'll have approved all of these, and that documentation will be sent over to our construction team so that as products come into the job site, they're checking back against the selections and the product they receive to make sure that the right product is coming into your house and getting installed. Throughout your project, if you want to change something that we'd already decided or something unexpected happened, Buildertrend makes it very easy for you to manage change orders throughout the project. We will add a change order here with all the detailed costs, and you can review and approve or decline that change order. Another feature is the estimate and payments tab. So the estimate is a central location for your contract to live. And then next to that is the payments feature where you can set up an electronics funds transfer with your bank so that you don't have to be writing checks or sending things through the mail. You can just send a payment through the project management software. Even after your project is complete, your Buildertrend account will still be active, and we can use it to manage any warranty requests that you'd have over the next couple of years. As you start the design process for your project, here are 3 tips as you use Buildertrend. One is learn how to use the comments feature of the program. For schedule items, for selections, for almost any part of the program, there is a comments field where you can make comments. And then if you go up to messaging in the top menu, you can see the comments area where all of the comments are put in one location so you can keep track of the conversations. Second, use the surveys. Throughout the design process and throughout the construction process at regular intervals, we'll send you a survey just to give us feedback on how we're doing. You'll rate us on 3 things, and it'll take maybe 1 or 2 minutes. And that'll allow us to continue to get feedback from you to let us know how we're doing and improve your remodeling experience. Third, download the mobile app. They make a great mobile app where you can download it on your smartphone, either iPhone or Android, and you can stay connected to Buildertrend while you're on the go. We're looking forward to your remodeling project and using Buildertrend to communicate throughout the entire process. If you've got questions about Buildertrend or how to use the software, reach out to your design consultant and they can get you squared away.